SLNO Stock Analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? Covering all that in the short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Soleno Therapeutics is absolutely kicking it up in the freaking first gear. Actually, third gear is fine, because I do see this thing just ramp up, and I love it. In a situation like this, I'm still looking to take things up. I've done my previous SLNO receipt here. Oh, it seems like I don't have anything, which is fair. But I've done like 39,000 videos on my YouTube channel, more than anyone else in the game, you know, and I have everything documented. Specifically looking at SLNO, unless I see the price pulling and shifting down, then me randomly buying is just not going to be the way. And I truly mean this, you know, like, yeah, sure, if it takes the highs without me, so be it. But if it does not pull down and shows me any sort of shift, then I'm just going to now look to randomly buy. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's free sauce, and I will be seeing you in the next one. Goodbye.